So what's up guys, it's Pranav from Hightech. So guys, in this video we will talk about Asus Zenfone 6. No one saw it coming, but everyone is now seeing it, or they have seen it. So let's talk about it in this video, and we'll give you all the specification and design, everything you need to know about Zenfone, Asus Zenfone 6. So make sure you hit the like button before I start the video. Yes, you should do that because this will be interesting, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first we will talk about its design. So in design, you can say it's good. So in design it's good. It is having no notch screen, no bar screen, everything is okay in this phone, and the design is really good. Yeah, it's totally good. The back is really nice of the phone, and the front is all okayish, because you can see on the bottom side of the screen there is a chin present over there, the little chin. I don't know why they have kept it over there, but still the design is very nice of this phone, and the back is really nice. So let's talk about its specs, because the design is all the flagships come with this design. Yes, this is one of the flagship from Asus. So here it is. So first of all, it is having 6.4 inches of screen. Then it is having Corning Gorilla Glass 6 support. If anyone drops the phone, it have the support of that glass, so it will protect you. Yep. So after that, it is having the processor. The main thing comes out the processor. It is having the processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, which is the latest processor from the Qualcomm Snapdragon, and the flagship grade processor is present in this phone. And after that, please avoid the background noise, because upstairs it is some work going on, so please avoid the background noise. So after that, it is having 5000 mAh of battery, and it can charge with 18 watt of charging. So you can charge the phone with 18 watt of power. And after that, it is having Android 9 Pie out of the box, which is the latest which is the latest version from the Google, and it's the best till date. After that, so as I was saying, it can reverse charge your phone, as Samsung can charge like that. So yes, it can reverse charge. You can charge other phones from this phone, and it is great. So in reverse charge, it can give other phones power, up to 10 watt power it can give to other phones. So yeah, now let's talk more about it, so you will be properly prepared if you want to buy it or not. So now then, let's talk about its cameras. So it is having no front camera in the front side of the phone. We will talk about it. No pop-up camera also. So on the back side, it is having two cameras. So one is of 48 megapixel and the other one is of 13 megapixel ultra wide camera. So you can click ultra wide angle pictures with it, and yeah, it's ultra wide. Yes, you can click pictures with it. And what about the front facing camera? No pop-up camera, nothing. What about it? I know you have guessed it, or you have seen somewhere else, but in this video I will also tell you. Yes, that's why I'm making the video. So the back camera flips to the front side, and it becomes the front camera. Yes, so you can click 48 megapixel pictures in the front side also, and click 13 megapixel wide angle pictures also. Haven't you guessed it? You should guess it. So you can click 48 megapixel all pictures also from this phone. Just flip the cameras, obviously. Just flip the cameras, and you can also stop the cameras in certain angles to click innovative videos and pictures from the phone. Yes, you can stop the cameras in certain angles. And you can also you can move the cameras with the volume buttons. Yes, you can move the cameras with the volume button, and it's great. And after that, what? Yeah, these are the cameras, and let's talk about its rumored price in India. The euros it is confirmed, but in Indian rupees it is not. And if whenever the phone will come out, I will tell you the real price in my Instagram account, so you follow me there. Now then, moving on to its prices. So prices, so here are the prices. So it is available in three variants. The first one is of 6 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. So it is available in three variants. So 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage cost in euros about 500 euros, and in Indian rupees it will be about of 40,000 rupees. After that, it is having the storage of, have you guessed, 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage. It will be about it will be in euros about 560 euros. In Indian rupees it will be about 43,800 rupees. After that, we are coming to 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, and in euros it will be $100, and in Indian rupees it will become 48,000 rupees. So that's the price which is rumored to come in India, and if something changes in price or anything, I will tell you on my Instagram account, so follow again. Yes, that's the prices and that's the design and specs of this phone, and the phone is really cool. So the main question, do I recommend this phone? Should you buy this phone or not? So what should you think? Should you buy it or not? The specs are really nice, the design is really cool, the camera, you can click 48 megapixel camera by flipping the cameras and also stopping it in certain angles. So should I recommend it? Obviously man, I obviously recommend, absolutely I recommend this phone. It's great phone. Some of the features it is not having, it is missing in some of the features, like it is, none of the phone is perfect, but I should tell some of the features it is missing. It is not having inbuilt fingerprint scanner, in display fingerprint scanner, whatever, and the small chin is present over there in the bottom side of the screen. And yeah, it is not having the super zoom which Huawei has, and they will give update for it as they have told us. So yes, the super zoom update, but some of the things it lacks in. Although the phone is really great, you should buy it. It is having half of the price of OnePlus 7T, so you should buy it, and the storages are really nice of it. So yes, I recommend this. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so every time I post the video you will be notified each single time. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please like it. Yes, so yeah, if you have any query, please comment in the comment section down below. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I am signing out.
Around.